Franko Trading Enterprise Semenka Joe say your phones, laptops, printers, accessories, Franko TV, air conditioners, ni nyina bi ho. Say CCTV camera ni installation and a connection nyina or the board room or the board school or the board feel no connect your phone. Baby I won't be a wound the ekoso. Download the Franko app on the phone so answer for wo na ginchidimo 0246 422 338 and 0555 939311. Na we so ye 030 and that's how the yemfa mienu ya sa wo ho ko Google Play Store and I say App Store na download the Franko app on the phone so Franko store phone papa efie ni ho na adofo bi a wo mu edi wa woda sonko yemfa sa woda pasonko nko ema wo mo ene eye Afum Evans na woda Evans who birthday nene happy birthday to you Evans Afum. God richly bless you. Na kopon da okase na ontre wuhie de wupe bia no onyama wate nyakopon ye okase pa Evans Afum ni mfonyi na da TV no so eno afi happy birthday nkoma Kwame na too sweet ene ye Kwame na birthday yes happy smile and pa said ye fata wanim yakopon ye okase ontre wuhie na omo akoma so ade nyina emrem Kwame na God richly bless you on this wonderful day. And then so a Prince Otain birthday. Prince Otain. Prince, happy birthday to you. Ate. Yankopon shraw. Akoma so ade nyina no o manemrem Emma Prince. Yankopon shraw. Na me kai so obedu birthday so numbers no 0248287692. Now they are for one abreye. Christabel and your birthday aka Christabel Aka. Happy birthday to you, baby girl. Nyakopon shaw. No nyo kase. Ya do wabusu ya do. Adofo nyina say, omo we so happy birthday. Na special one way. Every yenya ba Grace Mensa, Zoom Lion Ghana Limited head office. O say happy birthday enko Emma Benedicta Tete O2 our Ghana Cocoa Board tema. Benedicta Tete O2. Happy birthday to you, Ghana Cocoa Board. And if I hear what tema, way free Grace Mensa or Zoom Lion Ghana Limited head office. Yeah, we're so happy birthday, Benedicta Tete O2. Ebusiana say, Ebrana son say meko. Na meko dia na mekai wo say omahene ba betena sem pense mu betwa so amao. Bedwam so ni kai say wo hia me a. E afem. Anochi wa ba. Ajwa say